All right, I came up with the best drain idea ever for a van. I know everybody thinks they got the ultimate whatever, but mine is the best. So anyway, I bought a regular drain that connects to a 2-inch pipe. The flange on it, the threads, were only about 1.5 inches long. I have the flooring of my shower, my laminate flooring, which I think is almost 1/4 inch thick, 3/4 sheet of plywood, then the ribs in the bottom of the van. So I'm looking at about this much. So I ordered that first one, had to send it back. Ordered another one that had a longer flange on it. Showed up, darn thing was that big. It was huge. Said I can't use that either. So I started thinking, and I came across this. It's for a sink. Look how long the threads are. They're like 3 inches long. This bottom piece is solid brass. It unscrews. I'll show y'all. So you can either go straight to this, you can screw this on, cut it off where you need it. And here's the awesome thing about this. They come in all different colors. We're doing a black theme with our fixtures. Screw this down on the bottom of your shower pan. Push a button, it pops it up to drain. Or you can close it off so you don't have to worry about any water backflowing into your shower for some reason. But here's what's even best. Ta-da! It's made for catching rings and jewelry and earrings and all that kind of stuff that could fall down a drain, which will then act as a hair strainer. So whenever I want to clean it, all I got to do is go pop, clean it out, click, and done. 1 3/4 inch hole through the floor, through everything. Drop this bad boy in there, screw it in, screw in that other connector, and I can run 90 degrees anywhere I want off of this. And this is metal, so you know, it'll be easy to put some tape on it and have some of the kind of fitting connect to it. Anyway, I think that's probably the best drain idea ever for a van. Screw having to buy those big old drains, short flanges, nothing to deal with, and easy to clean. You're welcome. So you see, shower pan, laminate flooring, 3/4 inch plywood, and now the metal. And my drill was getting so hot it was smoking, so I had to stop. But anyway, that thing's gonna drop right in. Should fit like a glove. We hope it works. Easiest thing ever. Took 5 minutes. Check this out. Okay, it's got a little plastic cover on it. Here's the angle so you can see. Here it's down. You literally step on it, it pops up. It will drain. It's closed off. It drains. Get all the junk out. There's the ground below. And I will show you from the ground side. I'll put that on there. Just keep it clean while we're doing stuff. So, man, I mean, I had probably a little over 1/2 inch. Anyway, I put the rubber gasket on there, cranked it down. It's good to go. This will then screw on like this. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand here. There's a gasket that needs to go in there, but just so you can see for general purpose. That will hang down. I'll probably cut it about like right there, and then maybe a little bit higher. Put some flex tubing that's going to come back here, and this is where my urine diverting toilet ties in. And then I'm going to have both of these go around up under there, all the way to the other side. Over there where my where my kitchen sink is, because I'm gonna have a pump there that's gonna pump to the gray water. So that's it. Screw shower drains. They're a pain in the butt. Get you one for a kitchen sink. Drops right in with a 1 3/4 hole. Look at that. Literally, I drilled that hole, dropped that sucker in here, came underneath here, tightened it as tight as I could with my hands. That gasket is squeezed down tight, nothing's getting in there. And I got this pipe here that I can play with, cut it to whatever length I need, put some hose on there, tie it in. And we are done with the shower.